Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease. It is a condition when one or more parts in the joint areas degenerate. There are few different forms of osteoarthritis, such as arthritis, disc herniation, and spondylolisthesis. Osteoarthritis is divided into two types: local degenerative and total degenerative. Local degeneration is a condition in a specific area of the musculoskeletal system. The cause is usually due to lifestyle, the nature of work, or other external influences. For example, students and office workers often have neck, shoulder, and back pain due to poor sitting posture. People who often carry heavy loads can suffer from vertebral degeneration. People who regularly practice martial arts or play sports are prone to injury in the joints. Most osteoarthritis in the young people is caused by local degeneration. Total degenerative condition is a degeneration of the entire musculoskeletal system. The main cause is usually aging or genetics. When musculoskeletal system in the body is degenerated over time, it will cause osteoporosis, complete spondylolisthesis, or impaired motor function. This complete degeneration often occurs in the elderly or those with nutritional deficiencies, premature aging, or people with inherited bone disease. As for osteoarthritis, if the patient is not treated in a time or in the wrong way, the disease will get worse and worse. Over time, it will cause difficulty in movement, lost work capacity, and even complete paralysis. Osteoarthritis is an extremely complex disease. It is very difficult to solve thoroughly. Currently, to treat joint problems, there are usually the following main measures. The first method is Western medical drugs that often have analgesics and anti-inflammatory ingredients. This method has the advantage of quickly reducing the symptoms of the disease. However, the disadvantage of this method is that it does not address the root of the disease, which is the degenerative problem. The patient will be prone to relapse. It is difficult to completely eradicate. In addition, if a patient abuses Western medicine a lot without following the instruction of the doctor, it will have the potential to greatly affect the heart, liver, and kidneys, leading to liver or kidney failure. These medicines make the disease more difficult to treat. The second method is surgical intervention. This method is usually applied only in mandatory situations with specific diseases or the patient itself no longer responds to other treatments. And for this method, the advantage is that it is fast and effective, but the disadvantage is many side effects and a high risk of complications. Currently, the success rate of osteoarthritic surgery is only about 50%, which can cause complete paralysis if the surgery fails. The third method is a physical therapy. Methods such as acupuncture and acupressure combined with herbs. This method has the advantage of being safe and benign, but has low effectiveness and long treatment time. In addition, the root cause of osteoarthritis is still not resolved, so the effectiveness of the method is not really as expected. The last method, which is also the most appreciated method today, is a comprehensive combination nutrition therapy that is combine conventional treatments with intensive nutritional therapy from colostrum for patients. This method will have comprehensive effect, both solving the symptoms of the disease and solving the root cause of the disease. The main cause of osteoarthritis is degenerative, so treatment with drugs alone is not enough. When the body is degraded, it needs to be intensively nourished to make up for what has been lost. The combination of treatment with intensive nutritional products and a reasonable diet will help nourish the degenerative bone and joint system. It will rejuvenate the muscles and joints that have aged over time. It will increase bone strength and stimulate the regeneration of joint cartilages in the body. This is the method that is currently being evaluated as the most effective, comprehensive treatment for bone and joint problems. It is being applied in major hospitals around the world. Currently, the intensive nutrition product trusted by our doctors in major hospitals around the world is the Grandsure Gold colostrum. Our products are highly appreciated for the quality and effectiveness in supporting bone and joint treatment for patients. This product is also highly appreciated by many leading nutritionists and bone and joint experts. It is trusted by patients. Grandsure Gold is a specialized colostrum product for osteoarthritis patients, which supports intensive bone and joint nutrition. It supplements calcium therapy, increasing bone density and regeneration. It promotes healthy bones and joints, helping to effectively treat bone and joint diseases such as spondylolisthesis, disc herniation, double vertebrae, sciatica, and osteoporosis. This product is being applied by us with conventional treatments and has very good results. Currently, Grandsure Gold is the leading American bone and joint colostrum product in the world. It has extracts combining pure colostrum and Norwegian shark cartilage cells. It's produced on modern technological lines from America. Grandsure Gold colostrum is of outstanding quality. It is extremely extensive and nourishing for osteoarthritis patients. Firstly, Grandsure Gold colostrum has pure colostrum ingredients from the US, the country with the best colostrum source in the world. It is prepared using leading modern American technology. We can ensure 100% quality. Colostrum is also known as the first food of life, the most quintessential milk of the body. This is the special milk that appears at the end of pregnancy and secreted through the mammary glands within 72 hours of giving birth. Because it is the first milk of life, colostrum has very strong ability to nourish and regenerate cells. Normally, when it comes to the concept of colostrum, people think it is only good for babies, but this is not so. Colostrum not only contains resistant substances, but also has the ability to nourish and regenerate. It is very good for the elderly, especially patients with bone and joint problems. Colostrum contains special nutrients that are able to stimulate the maximum activity of osteoblasts, regenerate new skeletal muscles, help restore degraded musculoskeletal areas, and nourish the musculoskeletal system. The second main ingredient is Norwegian shark cartilages, the panacea in the treatment of bone and joint diseases, the master of joint treatment in a bowl of pearls. According to research, Norwegian shark fin contains chondroitin, which inhibits enzymes that destroy cartilage in joints and stimulates the synthesis and regeneration of new cartilage. In addition, Grandsure Gold is the first product to successfully apply phytosome technology to complex extracts of colostrum and shark fin chondrocytes to increase the bioavailability of the precious complex. It targets the degenerative bone and joint areas to carry out the intensive regeneration and nurturing process. In particular, the use of nutrition therapy from colostrum is extremely safe and benign for patients. Even the elderly people with many underlying medical conditions, it does not cause any side effects. Patients can use it to support long-term treatment. It effectively supports the treatment of bones and joints, enhances nutrition, and improves overall health. Grandsure Gold is currently the world's best colostrum nutrition therapy, suitable for all conditions of osteoarthritis patients. Anyone can use it. It is suitable for people with arthritis, rheumatism, degeneration, osteoporosis, acute or chronic herniated disc, and even those who have suffered cartilage injuries due to accidents, heavy movements, etc. It treats symptoms such as knee pain, difficulty walking, stiffness, not being able to cross the legs, numbness in the limbs, pain, and fatigue. Grandsure Gold bone and joint colostrum products offer quick pain relief without affecting the stomach or blood pressure. Patients will see softer joints, more flexible movement, and will feel the long-term effect even when not using the product anymore. Finally, I recommend that people with osteoarthritis understand the root cause of the disease. You must understand what your illness needs and lacks. When using Grandsure Gold bone and joint colostrum products, you need to be patient and use it correctly. Most of all, you must also follow a healthy lifestyle regimen for long-term health, because Grandsure Gold is a treatment. This effective product is the best. It is trusted by many users around the world.